So guys, this is exactly what we predicted, right? I told you guys clearly that we would be expecting that bullish move on EURJPY, and that bullish move was come to tap our resistance level right here. This is the bullish move that I told you guys that we will be expecting, and guess what market did? Market gave us the bullish move, exactly what we predicted it to give us. That is what markets did. So this is one of the reasons why, guys, if you are not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. And also, guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single updates, right? You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, take a look at this right here. This is what we'll be expecting. Let's zoom it out and see what EURJPY is giving us. You can see that our trend on EURJPY, we are in a ranging market move, right? Market is what's ranging. So markets eventually was able to come to this resistance level, close to our resistance level. Then a drop was made that came to tap our supports, right? The market rallied up to tap this resistance level, and then it dropped that came close to tap our supports. Markets eventually rallied up to tap our resistance, and guess what market did next? It dropped to tap our support level. After market tapped our support level, market was able to come out to tap our resistance, and then a drop was made to come to tap our support level, which broke below it a bit, right? Broke below it a bit. Now with this moment, market was able to rally up, right, and came close to this low, right, which is the support level. Now market is now pushing up, and we will be expecting it to come what? Push up and tap this resistance level. So this is to tell you that we will be anticipating for like a bullish move on our Euro JPY. So we should be expecting some sort of a bullish move on Euro JPY. Now take a look at this moment, guys, right? This is the high that market gave us, and here comes the higher low. Markets then push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here is the higher low. Markets eventually push up to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low. So what is market doing right here? Guys, market is now pushing up, and it is what? About to form a new higher high. So once it formed the new higher high, it should take out this high, right? Thereby forming a new high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on EURJPY. Now, if in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I give you guys the update. I'll make sure I let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe without further to miss a single